Welcome to TapPainter Basics. Thanks for downloading our app and taking a look. So we'll begin with launching. Here's our app icon. So right away we have the option to either select from the library, that's the images in the iPad, or to use a camera. We're going to select from the library. If we did capture a new image, we need to keep in mind the lighting. A good rule of thumb is that you need to be able to see all of the edges of the walls cleanly. If you can't see the edges of the walls, the app won't be able to either. So if it's too dark, you'll need to add some more light, and if it's too light, you need to make it a little bit darker. Most images will not be too light. That's very rare. So here we have, first we begin by moving our paint roller icon. It shows up right away with the app. We move it to the wall we want. Then we pick a color. So we can pick color either from our color picker, which lets us miss our own color. So we have three rings. We have our hue, our saturation, and our lightness. So our hue ring lets us pick the basic color. And our saturation, another way to think about that is the amount of color. So right now we have very little color. So it also changes here and here, but you can barely see it changing. But if we add more color or more saturation, now you can start to see it change very clearly. And we can make it lighter or darker. So we're going to pick something in the middle, and we'll go with this color. So to begin paint, we hit our paint roller. You can hit the paint roller at any time to begin painting. And there we have our first recolored image. Now let's recolor using the swatches. So first we'll move it here. So we can pick a brand this way. These are all the brands we have in here now. We add more all the time. So we will select the brand. We have our hue slider here, or our basic color. This is organized in the same way that the fan deck. So Benjamin Morris fan deck, this is how the colors were organized. So we can slide it up or down. So we'll pick another blue. So we can go here. We can begin painting this way. But if we want to go back and say, no, I don't want that color, we can go back to the carousel, and then we can also scroll up this way. So let's go with a purple this time. So now, the second time we begin paint, we have the option to either add a color or go to the original. If we add a color, that'll put another color on top of our recolored image. If we go to original, it'll start from the beginning. So we're going to go to original because we're repainting the same wall, so we want to go to original. And we have that. Oops. Now we will move it, and we can tap on the roller again to paint again. This time we'll add color because we're repainting a different part. So now we have it. Now we have both those walls colored. So now we want to compare our images. So we can go left, right flick to compare. We can also hit our back arrow to go back one, or we can hit the curvy arrow to go all the way back to the original. And lastly, if we say we liked this purple color, now we want to buy it at the store. So we're going to reveal the color. So that will use a TapPainter credit. Yes, we want to use it. And there we have it. Here's the paint code, and here's the name of the color. This concludes our basic tutorial. We will also have an advanced tutorial. Thanks for your interest in TapPainter. If you like us, please rate us well on the App Store. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please send it to us at www.tappainter.com and fill out our feedback form. Thank you.